Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Photoshop and inspect the Layers panel immediately. You need to know which elements are merged and which are lost as separate layers. You should duplicate the merged layer with Ctrl or CMD+J so you keep an intact original, because once you alter pixels, recovery is harder. If the file used smart objects or history states, convert the merged layer into a smart object now. This preserves embedded data. Once done, zoom to 100% and identify distinct areas to target for separation. Select each desired element using Color Range or the Object Selection tool so you isolate shapes that belong to original layers. This is how you recreate separate layers. After selection, create a layer mask. This non-destructive mask lets you hide or reveal pixels, refine edges with Select and Mask for hair or soft transitions. To fill gaps left behind, use Content-Aware Fill and the clone stamp to rebuild the background. Once done, convert masked layers to new layers via Layer Mask Apply, if needed. Place your separated elements back into the composition, matching scale and perspective so they read as part of the same photo. Use Transform and Warp sparingly. Make color and tonal corrections with curves and match color so edges blend. Use blend modes to integrate shadows or highlights. For stubborn artifacts, apply frequency separation or paint in missing detail with a sampled brush. If something looks wrong, revert to your duplicate or smart object, then reselect and refine. This rollback is why you duplicated the layer at start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.